Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. Today we're going to take a look at what's in my Aspinal Soho Clutch Bag, but also I've got some happy post. I've got to pop out and run a couple of errands, so I was working out what bag should I take with me today, and I decided that I would take my Aspinal Soho Clutch Bag out for a run around, and I thought, you know, I'm going to play around, dress her up a little bit. This is my happy post, and it is from, yes you guessed it, it's from Dress Up Your Purse, and this is something that I ordered a few weeks ago. And I have actually had it for a few days, but I hadn't gotten round to opening it and sharing it with you guys. This is what I ordered. I'm so excited. This has been out of stock for ages, and then it came back into stock. So I bought it. Oh, I've got something else in here. Got another little baggie in here. What is this? Oh, it is the Dress Up Your Purse Pivoiny Pink small luggage tag. I've been after one of these for a while as well, and just when I went to add it to my order, not this order, my previous order, it was completely out of stock. Oh, that's really, really sweet. Thanks, Melody. She's popped that in for me, and she's even popped a little G hot stamp on there in gold. Oh, thank you. That's not going to go with what I'm doing today, but I am definitely going to enjoy playing with that. So what I actually ordered was this. This is, I do believe this is lambskin. It is this leather strap. It is black smooth leather on the one side, and then it says gold textured leather on the other. It's slightly adjustable, and it has these lobster clasps. So the reason I bought this, funnily enough, looking at my little Aspinal, that's what I'm looking at down there, is because I have got currently on this Aspinal, this is the strap from my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe, and I find this strap a little bit skinny for the NeoNoe. I currently have the grab strap from Dress Up Your Purse on there. This isn't supposed to be a video all about this strap, but you know, while we're here we might as well have a look at it. That works for me as a crossbody size. Yes. Yes, yes, and because it's a nice thicker strap, it won't dig in once this, because this bag carries a ton, and it would get very, very, very heavy. So, oh, I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. So this is the NeoNoe strap, and this is how I was going to be carrying my Aspinal, because I've popped a little bag charm on there as well, a Louis Vuitton bag charm from the Jungle collection 2019. Also, when I wanted to, I can extend this strap. You undo the poppers here and here, and then it extends. For those of you who have not come across this before, this is how it works. Da, da, da. And it pops back up there. Then you chuck it on, and it's a little skinny crossbody, and I am totally digging the sort of the black and gold vibe. I'm actually attaching the bag charm to the clip rather than the D-ring here, just because of the way it would hang. And this is how, right, you're going to annoy me, aren't you? This is how the Zoloto Soho Clutch looks as a crossbody on me, with the new Dress Up Your Purse gold and black leather strap. And if you're interested in where this t-shirt comes from, it is a Soul Sisters t-shirt. A couple of best friends in Wales have set up their own little t-shirt business, and I absolutely love this. This is called the C'est Chic, and I will link to them down below, to their Instagram. I'm filming this on the Thursday and I'm putting it out on the Thursday, and they're launching their Spring Summer 21 on tonight at 7 o'clock. I'm very, very excited. While I've got your attention, if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then why not go ahead? Join us here on my funny little channel. Hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Please give the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Oh, look at that, look. Doesn't it look lovely? I'm very pleased with that. I'm probably going to have to take this charm off. For those of you who are new to me, you may not be aware of how annoyed I get when charms do that. And these double charms from Louis Vuitton, it's just done it all by itself, have a tendency for the little part to flip over and leave that bit as it is. Luckily this is very pretty on both sides. Look at that, lovely bit of animal print there, and a lovely bit of animal print there as well. And I do love this charm, but it bloody annoys me when it does that all the time. Anyway, enough of that. This was all supposed to be about what's in my Aspinal. Okay, so like I said, I've got a few chores to, a few errands to run out and about. I have, because of my t-shirt, I always feel with this t-shirt, because she's got her strong lip on, I feel I need to rock a strong lip as well. So I've got my Gucci lippy on, and I've got my Gucci lippy in here as well. Now you might be saying, Gwenny, but you'll be wearing a mask while you're out and about. And it is true, I will be wearing today this mask from Autumn Beckman with his lovely skulls on it. Love a skull, me. And it is black on the inside. I will get lipstick on this, but I'm okay with that because I know I'm wearing it underneath my mask. It's a bit like wearing really nice posh lacy undies underneath a tracksuit or something. It is still piggin' windy outside with the weather. I don't know what the heck is going on. Hello, we're nearly in June. Step it up please. That's me talking to the weather out the window. So I've got a little scrunchie to keep my hair from going absolutely everywhere. This is from Grey and Blush, and I love this scrunchie. It is silk. It is delicious. I have got my fern. This is my new Samsung S21. It is smaller than my old phone. Seriously, stop swivelling around. Doing my head in. I have got my Louis Vuitton clay with my house key and car key in it. My Louis Vuitton Empreinte key holder. The reason that I swapped out from my Gucci card holder, which is pretty much my everyday card holder, is because I've got a couple of receipts and I wanted to keep them together with my cards. So that's my Empreinte key pouch. And lastly in here I've got my teeny tiny baby of the Kurigami set. The Aspinal Soho Clutch can take the mini pochette accessoire, which is my everyday catch-all. It fits and it will close and it won't cause it to buckle or anything, but it does leave very little room for everything else. So I have taken the barest of essentials from here and put in here so I can use this as a teeny tiny little catch-all. And in here I have a Louis Vuitton perfume sample. This is Rose Devant. I've got that standing up in the corner there, and I also have some headache pills and some emergency errands. So that is everything in my beautiful Aspinal Soho Clutch in this beautiful Zoloto gold. And I'm going to run off and do my errands now. I do hope you have enjoyed this short what's in my bag video with a little bonus unboxing from Dress Up Your Purse. If you did, please do give it the thumbs up love, and until I see you for the next video, yes you, boop, please do stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye bye.